Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel we bring you guys a variety of tech-related content. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when new content is being released. In today's video, I'm going to try to take you along on my venture of installing a Ring Floodlight Cam over my garage. Alright guys, so I'm outside and today's project is to replace this guy above my garage with this bad boy right there. So let's go inside and take a look at what's inside the box. Alright guys, so I apologize, this isn't the greatest of all unboxings. I'm not in the studio, so we're just going to have to make do, but I guess I just wanted you to see what was inside the box. So there's your Ring Floodlight Cam. It comes with the mounting bracket. It has a ring protective sticker. There's a quick start guide. Comes with a full manual, some light switch stickers, so in case you have to power the light with an actual light switch, these remind you not to turn the switch off because the light won't work with the switch off. And then it also came with a pack of tools, so they pretty much supply you with everything you need to get the installation done. So we're going to give that a shot now. The first step is to turn off the power at the electrical panel and remove the old fixture. If you are uncertain or uncomfortable with the installation process, please contact a certified electrician. Alright guys, I'm trying to show you as much as I can. It's hard, I'm by myself, I'm trying to film and do the work at the same time. So I have the old fixture off. You can see it's right here. I still have to remove the old plate and put the mounting plate on that came with the floodlight cam. So that'll be the next step. Alright guys, so we're getting near the end. So I have the new bracket on. This bracket is very similar to the bracket I had on there, except it's got a gasket on both sides to make a nice tight seal so no water gets inside. Also, the kit came with this little S-hook here so you can hang the light while you're making your wiring connections. Now, I'm not going to tell you the wiring connections, that goes beyond the scope of this video. If you're not comfortable doing a project like this, I suggest you call a certified electrician to do this part. Anyway, the last step is to place the light on the bracket and add the 3 caps that you see in my hand and tighten them on with the supplied screwdriver handle. So once we get that done, we'll be ready to go through the actual setup of the light and add it to the Ring app. Alright guys, so let me jump in here for a second and say that I apologize. The footage that was supposed to be next in this video was the setup and configuration in the Ring app. That's gone. I don't know what happened to it. I can't find it. It did record, but it just wasn't up there when I went to upload it to the computer. So that being said, again, I do apologize. The process was very simple. Let me give you just a quick overview of what it was all about. So once I turned the power back on the circuit breaker, the device powered up, the 2 floodlights came on, and the motion sensor light at the bottom of the camera started to blink. Within about 15 seconds, the device spoke to me and said that it's in setup mode to please follow the instructions inside the Ring app. So at that point, I went into my Ring app, I clicked on set up a new device, and from there it walked you through every step of the process to getting it configured on the Wi-Fi and functioning. The whole process took probably about a minute and a half to get it configured and set up and working. So again, I do apologize I couldn't show you that, but there are a lot of videos out on YouTube that walk you through the setup process. In fact, Ring has a pretty good one of their own. So that being said, back to the actual video itself. So here's some footage taken from the Flood Cam around 5:45 p.m. It's actually quite crisp and clear. So that about wraps it up for today, guys. I hope you liked this little journey that I took you on. Again, I do apologize for not having that configuration part of the video. But in the next video, what I'll do is I'll take you inside the Ring app and we'll look at the motion settings that trigger the alerts that come to your phone from the camera, as well as the light settings that trigger the floodlights to come on. There are two different types of motion on the Ring Flood Cam, so we'll take a closer look at that in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and use those Amazon affiliate links. It doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.